So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can overcome this Cloudflare error, which is not letting you signing into any website like ChatGPT or Roblox or X, or it can be any website wherever this Cloudflare is implanted. So we'll basically go through 3 fixes that help, and the third fix solves this problem 110%. So the very first thing you have to do is, if you are trying to open that website which requires Cloudflare verification in Safari, then try to open it in Chrome, and vice versa. If you are trying to open that website in Chrome, then try to open that in Safari, and this may help. But if this thing didn't work, then the solution number 2 is try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi network. If you are on data, try switching to Wi-Fi, and if you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to data. But if this thing also didn't work, then let's move towards the third fix, which is you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. It also works if you are on desktop. Just keep watching till the end. So you have to go to the search button and search here VPN, and hit the search button, and any VPN which appears up, which seems good for you, you have to install that VPN and activate that after installing. And after activating the VPN, try opening that website, and I'm more than pretty sure that your problem will be solved. And if you are on desktop, you can also try installing any kind of extension for any VPN, and this will help. But if all these fixes didn't help, then just wait for some times like 5 to 10 minutes and then try refreshing the page, or try switching the devices. If you are on mobile, then try opening that website in another phone or laptop, and this Cloudflare issue will be solved.